Okay, the moving to the next part, that is quick sort. Okay, so the quick sort, this is a lab program, and it is in the second chapter theory also. Here in the quick sort, number of elements you have to enter, and after that it will apply the logic. Here are the two functions, it will apply the logic, and after that it will provide the result as the sorted elements are, that is 1 2 3 4 in an ascending order. Okay, to explain the logic, before explaining the logic, what I'll do, I'll explain you how the technique is used, that is quick sort technique. Okay, so now I have taken a random numbers. Here I have taken a random numbers, that is 15 16 19 18 45 13 12 20. Okay, so these are the random numbers, and here first we have to consider this as a pivot. Pivot means what? It will help you to make the divide the array. Division of an array is known as the pivot. It helps to make the division of an array, so that is known as a pivot. Okay, so now here I have written greater and lesser. So before I am telling this, what I will do, this is, I'll consider it as I, and here I'll consider it as a j. Okay, so here the main thing is what? If 15 is considered as a pivot, okay, any number you can consider as a pivot. Okay, so here 15 I have considered as a pivot. It will check the condition. If the condition is true, see, listen carefully, if the condition is true, it will move forward. If the condition is false, it will stop there itself. Understood? If the condition is true, it will move forward. If the condition is false, it will stop there itself. So here the condition, here greater lesser I have written. 15 is greater than 16. True? 15 is greater than 16? No, it is false. So it will stop here only. I will be stopped here. Next we'll move here in the second part, that is 15 is greater, here lesser is there, no, 15 is lesser than 20. True? Yes, it is true. If it is true, then what it will happen, j will move here. Okay, so next 15 is less than 12. True? No, 15 is not less than 12, so false. So when it is false, what happens here, both this 16 and 12 will get swapped. Whenever it stops here only, then what happens, it will swap it. 12 will come here and 16 will come here. Now this I and j are there. What it will do, it will check 15 is greater than 12 now. True? Then what happens, it will move. Where? I will be moved here, and the j which is here, that is 16. Again it will check 15 is less than 16. True? Yes, it is true. Then it will go here, j will be here. Now it will check 15 is greater than 19. 15 is greater than 19. True or false? False. So when the 15 is greater than 19 is false, then what it will do, I will stop here. Next 15 is lesser than 13. False. Then both will stop here. Now what it will do, it will swap. So what happens, when both will stop, we need to swap it. Okay, so now swapping is done, that is 19 is put it here, and 19 is in the right side, 13 is in the left side. And after that again it will start checking the condition, 15 is greater than 13. True. Then what it will do, it will move here, that is to the 18, and 15 is lesser than 19. True. 15 is lesser than 19, that is 15 is less than 19. True. Then what happens, again it will come here, 15 is less than 45. True. Okay, and here again it will come here, iteration I will move forward, next j will take the turn. Now see, 15 is greater, what happens, 15 is lesser than 18. True. then j, what it will do, it will come here. Okay, I will be as it is there itself. Okay, 15 is greater than 18 is there now. I will be there itself, it will stop there. 15 is greater than 18, j will come here. After decreasing, j will come here. Why I will stop? Because 15 is greater than 18 is there. True or false? False. Then it will stop here only, no? So now j will start moving. So when j will come here, that is 15 is lesser than 13, here j will stop. When j will stop, see here, now check, I is here, j is here. So when I will be in the opposite and j is in the opposite, what happens, this 13 is there, it will move here and to the pivot side, and the 15 is there, it will move to the here remaining place. That is 15 will come here, 13 will come here. Now the separate division is done. That is 13 and 12, and here one more, that is we'll leave 15, 18, 45, 19, 16 and 20. So 13 and 20 we can swap it, we can make it 12 here, 12 and 13. So here what happens, here 18, 45, 19, 16, 20 is there. Now we consider one as a pivot, that is I'll consider 18 as a pivot, this I'll consider as pivot. Okay, and this one I'll make it as a I, and this one I'll make it as a j. Okay, now once again we have to make. So I think so you understood. Okay, see I here will increment, it will stop here only. Now after that second part is what, j will is keep on decrementing. When j comes here, both are in opposite direction, so they are not face to face, they are in opposite direction. Once it is opposite direction, the j part value whatever is there, it will swap with the pivot element. I hope so you understood. Now when the partition is done, this okay, this here we cannot consider as a pivot. If two elements are there, directly you can swap it, and here if there are many numbers are there, so what you have to do, you have to consider one as a pivot, that is 18, and 45 we consider as a I, and 20 is considered as a j. The same thing, the same rule which I have followed here, the same thing you have to follow here also. How? 18 is greater than 45, true or false? True. False. So when 18 is greater than 45 is false, what happens, I will be stop here. Next, 18 is lesser than 20, true? True. So what happens, j will move here, j will move here, and after that 18 is lesser than 16, true? False. So when it is false, now what happens, this 16 and 45 will get exchanged. So here 18 will be there, and after that 16, instead of writing here I'll just write down here only, 16 and 45 will get exchanged. After that this I is there, after exchanging 18 is greater than 16, true, then what happens, it will move here, that is I will come here, and j is there which is in the 45, 18 is less than 45, true, then what happens, j will also come here, both I and j. So when I and j both comes here, it will check 18 is greater than 16, j is there now, 18 is lesser than 16. Okay, now j part, 18 is lesser than 16, false, true, then what happens, j will come here. After that it will check 18 is less than 16, 18 is less than 19 is done. So when it is true, it will come here, 18 is less than 16, false, then j will stop here. So it is in opposite direction, so what happens, 18, 16 will go, it will swap with the pivot, that is 16 will come here, 18 will come here, 16, 18, 19, 45, 20. Okay, after that this 16 will come here, 16, next what you have to do, 19, 45, 20. Okay, 19, 45, 20, again we have to take this as a pivot, and again we have to make it the changes. So like this, finally we'll get the answer as 12, 13, 15, 16, uh, 18, 19, 20, 45. Like this we'll get the answer after arranging. See, this partition of an array is done by the pivot. So this is the technique of the quicksort. Thank you.